I did a night duty, so I slept for an hour and a half, but I did my makeup, so yeah, I just did my makeup. We're going back to IKEA today, and we're going to the pub to meet the friend of my husband and her fiance. So yeah, see you later. Guys, we are here now in the pub. We're going to meet my husband's friend. So we are here at the Rose and Crown. It's nice weather today in the UK. Gabriel fell asleep in the car and he was really hot because it's proper hot weather today. And yesterday as well.
I've had Henderson and Milner.
For a living? We've got to use his license. We're to use his license.
Yeah.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Wow, good boy. You're having a Pepsi, aren't you? It's too hot today, isn't it, Nak? That's my boy. He's drinking the Pepsi. It's nice here, guys. In the pub, it's nice weather. Look, Anak, there's another dog there. Hello guys, we are back in the car now. I'm sorry I did not manage to vlog there because I'm shy to vlog there in front of the friends of my husband. And we're only quick one because we really need to go to IKEA, so we didn't eat there, we just had a drink. So yeah, because we need to look for a sofa if it's still there, the sale one in IKEA. So anyway, we'll see you probably in IKEA. Guys, look how many people. Look. This is summer in England. Look how much people in there. Look guys, it's nice weather, yeah? Yeah. People are wearing shorts because it's proper hot.
Look, this is the really fast cars, look. Ferrari, look, this one. It's like Lightning McQueen. It's all closed now, it's all closed up.
We're going up, I think. Come on. That's what we're going to do. We're going to eat, aren't we? Yeah. Yay! Are you happy? Yeah. Good boy. Oh, many people in there and it's flashing, isn't it? Yeah. Back to IKEA, guys. But we're going to have lunch first. Ah, you wanted the trolley again, to stand on the trolley?
This way. Okay.
Hold tight. I think Daddy he has to go facing other way.
Right, turn around.
Turn around, Anak.
Turn around. Turn around. Look, this way, like this. Good go.
That's better. Good boy. Hello, Gabriel. Fast enough. You like it? Yeah. We're going to eat now, yeah? I'm going to have that meatballs again, guys, because I really like that one. The gravy is nice.
Hi guys, I'm gonna get some cheesecake for Kristel. Kristel and me, so I'm gonna get 2 pieces. Hi guys, we're here again at IKEA and then I'm gonna order food. Still having meatballs. Gabriel's having meatballs. I don't know what I have. Maybe fish again. I've just been to the toilet. No?
Yeah.
Chips or mash?
Chips.
Chips, please.
Any peas?
Yes, please.
Okay, and some peas. Something else?
Filter coffee or cappuccino latte?
What do you want? Cappuccino?
Normal coffee. What is that one?
White coffee, please.
That's 18 pounds, please.
Guys, that's for my husband, and a Coke. For me is coffee and meatballs with rice again. And we're having chocolate cheesecake. And for my husband as well, Gabriel will have meatballs as well. And orange juice. Guys, I'm going to refill my Coke, only half, because I can't finish it. My husband doesn't want anymore. We ate very quick, guys, because we are so starving. Gabriel and Ed went to the toilet. So I'm just waiting for them while drinking this one. Small amount of Coke. So Thursday, it's really hot here in the UK today. All week. It's nice. Hello guys, still here in IKEA. It's really enjoyable to shop here. Lots of choices. Is that the one can go on the thingy tie? Oven? Oh, that's nice. That's the size I need. There's a bit bigger.
It's missing.
Ah, okay.
There's some more there behind you.
Ah, it's in here.
It's a big one. $5.25.
Okay, mahal. Including that one. Guys, so far we have this one to, what do you call this one, Ty? Clothes rail? No, it's not a rail. To dry the clothing. And I have a one bin again, and underneath I got the what do you call this one, Ty? The glass container. Gabriel, stop being naughty. What do you call that one, Ty? The two cooking pan. And this one is called, it's like a drying thing, clothes dryer. And then that box, guys, is an empty box. I'm going to ask it again, because you know we need to pack some more things. What are you getting, guys? We are buying that that light, the round one. Yes, darling. Okay, you don't go in there. Mahal, show them the thingy, the box. This is the light that we there you can see. That's the picture, guys, that we're buying. Yes, darling. You're going there. You're not allowed to go there, Nak. That's only for the staff. We're on the lights now, guys, looking for that's for the dining table. We're going to put that for the dining. And we're getting that one, that bag on the, not the first one, so this one, the second one, to put in the conservatory. Why is a cup stuck again, Daddy?
Two?
Yeah, please. Hello guys, we're going to pay now. So we end up buying, how many lights we end up buying, Tay? 3 lights?
Yeah.
3 lights. Tayo get it na nga, Daddy, please. Because Gabriel is, keep, that yellow one.
No, we're not having it in that.
We're going to pay now, guys.
Mommy, I love you.
Hello, guys. My husband is going to buy a milkshake. He's there queuing.
What flavour of chocolate? You want to press chocolate?
Yeah.
You press it,
chocolate?
then like now.
Press chocolate then. That one. Boy, look at our milkshake.
Oh my god!
Oh, nice.
That's nice, darling. How about Papa? What flavor do you want?
Chocolate again?
I don't mind, Daddy.
I like chocolate.
Oh, look at that. This is Gabriel's.
That's Gabriel, and that's
Come over.
Daddy.
Where's the thingy?
The straw? It must be on the... Guys, I needed more box. In this one, I put all my lipstick. So, foundations and some of the palettes. But I still got a bit here. So, not yet finished. And I did put the makeup that I will be needing for within the 2 weeks time, and I'm trying to sort out the brushes, and I put the rest of the brush in here, the eye brushes. So I still got a bit there. So yeah, hello guys, so I only left a few things that I'm going to be needed for I'm going to be needing for within the 2 weeks time after we move. So only foundation I left out is EX1 foundation and L'Oreal True Match, and 2 eyeshadow palette, 1 blush, 1 contour, 1 bronzer, and 2 powder on underneath. Then that's my bobby pins. And this one I might just like I didn't take out the things inside this one because I might just take it with me on the day that we move, and these things as well. So yeah, and the boxes that I managed to, and then these are the only brushes that I left out. So eye brushes and face brushes, that's it. But the usual one, I've got 3 cups here. Hey darling, Mama's talking for a minute. So you can see that's me and my husband when we first met, on the very first year that we met. So yeah. So these are the brushes that I only left out.
Mommy,
Yes, darling.
we can stay here.
Okay. Wait a minute, Mama's talking. And that's the boxes I've done, guys. 1, 2, and 3. And
1,
2.
2, 3.
Good boy. And then I put makeup. So but I won't allow my husband to touch it because this is so important for me. So anyway, I'll be the one to take it with me in the house, and I will, so you know. So yeah. All of them I put makeup, each of the boxes, so my husband know, and I will tell him not to touch this. Anyway guys, we have to go to the shop because we didn't cook dinner tonight because we did not cook. You can see the boxes that I already packed up. So anyway, because we didn't cook dinner tonight, because you know we ate late in IKEA.
Daddy, say sorry. Say yes.
Okay, so thank you so
Mommy,
much for
say
watching,
sorry.
guys. Sorry, darling. Thank you so much for watching, guys. See you on my
Mommy.
next video. Bye.
Mommy.
Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Good boy. Ay, may kiss pa eh. Thank you, Nak. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
I'll see you tomorrow. Ay.
That's a 5-5.
That's a high five. That's a high five daw, guys. It's
Look.
not. Look, high five. High five. Thank you. Clever boy, Auntie Darlene. High five.